Talk 55, Unity is strength. Each of us has a job. A specific task. We may work independently. But in truth, we always depend on others. Our work is part of something bigger. A chain. A team effort. Helping a coworker who struggles with a heavy load. Returning tools in good condition and on time. Admitting when something breaks so no one gets hurt. This is teamwork. Another way we help each other. Keeping our work area clean. Because disorder today becomes delay tomorrow. Imagine this. You shout, "Pass me that hammer." Your coworker runs to help. But your space is a mess. He spends 5 minutes searching. Too late. Frustration. Lost time. Working together means understanding that my task is linked to yours. That your success depends on mine. That production only flows when we support each other. Never forget this truth. Unity is strength. Alone, we do a little. Together, we achieve much more.